US dollar, once considered unbreakable. For decades, it ruled the world, the backbone of global trade, the symbol of financial power. But now, cracks are beginning to show. Rising debt, political unrest, and new global powers. The question is no longer if the dollar will fall, but when. This is Global Pulse, and today we explore what happens if the US dollar collapses. After World War II, the world needed financial leadership, and the US dollar rose to power. Gold backed every dollar, real value, real trust. Soon, the dollar became the standard for global trade, from oil to international debt. Global institutions like the IMF and the World Bank made the dollar the language of the world economy. But with power always comes risk, and for the dollar, a new challenge is emerging. Today, the dollar's dominance faces several challenges: rising debt, political unrest, and growing global powers such as China, Russia, and the BRICS nations are reducing its influence. Digital currencies and gold-backed systems are creating new opportunities in the financial world. Together, these forces are weakening the dollar and shifting the balance of global economics. Imagine one day the dollar loses half its value overnight. Prices of food, fuel, and essential goods skyrocket. Banks limit withdrawals, people queue at ATMs. Stock markets crash, oil prices surge, and inflation runs rampant. The global economy plunges into chaos. A collapse of the dollar would not only impact the United States, it would shake the entire world. Countries holding dollar reserves would lose value, global trade would slow, oil and commodity prices would rise. A new financial order is emerging, one that will look very different from the past. Experts predict three possible outcomes. Scenario 1, a gradual decline. Scenario 2, a sudden and sharp collapse. Scenario 3, a partial recovery. But one truth is clear: the dollar's future is no longer guaranteed, and the world faces new challenges. Even ordinary people feel the impact. If you hold savings or investments in dollars, exercise caution. Exchange rates will fluctuate, making financial decisions more difficult. A multi-currency world is emerging. Are you ready for it? The era of dollar dominance is ending, and the global financial system is entering a new phase. The question is not whether the dollar will fall, but who or what will replace it. This has been Global Pulse. Subscribe to stay informed on the world's changing financial landscape.